Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll unbox the Logitech G29 steering wheel for PS5, PS4, PC and PS3. So let's begin with the video. You can check out the box. You can read this. So pedals are included in this. I have also ordered the manual gear shifters. The link of the video of that is in the description. So you can see the box. So now let's open the box. You can see it is sealed from here. We will remove the tape first. Okay, this seal is removed and a manual there. Okay, the pedals, Logitech. So here are the pedals, as you can see, Logitech branding, and you can see the quality. This is so heavy. Okay, you can see here is the wire that you will connect it to your steering. So you can check out the thing. So you can see here the manual. We will keep it there. No need of that. I'll show you how to connect it. So here is the steering. So now let's remove the packet. So here is the main product, the steering wheel, PlayStation branding here, and you can see the square, triangle, circle and X, the controls. You can also play games with this. You can see the controller is here, R2, R3, L2, L3, volume up down buttons, PS button, and you can see the back, Logitech branding there. Okay, paddle shifters here. So now let's check out what's more in the box. Okay, here are the wires. Now I will remove the packet. Okay, adapter, F1 racing, this some manual. Okay, so these are all the box contents. Now let's check out the steering. So here is the power adapter and the wires and the USB to connect is there. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Also click the bell icon for more such video and stay tuned for the full review and the gameplay and how to connect it.